Hey guys, welcome back. The next ChatGPT plugin we are looking at is called Google Trends plugin. So we all have used Google Trends. If you haven't, let me show you what Google Trends are. So you can go to any Google search, type Google Trends. So you can basically see some of the info about what's currently trending in a geography, and you can get basically daily trends newsletter. This will give you the information about what's trending currently, and these are the countries for which the trends are available. So with this plugin, you can, instead of going here and selecting all this, you can actually query that through a ChatGPT prompt, and I'll show you how you can do that. The first thing is, go to your search bar, type Google Trends plugin. You will find it, install it. I have already installed and enabled it. I don't have to do it. If you haven't, please do it. So let's look at this one. What the three functionalities you can do is, first one is fetch search interest data for a specific keywords and time frame, and inputs are this. So let's actually go and do this. Basically, let me go here and type get the Google Trends data for the keyword Python in United States. So this is going to give you how many people are looking for the keyword Python in United States. So Google Trends, if you basically look at any word and say explore, so you won't get an absolute number of search. You will just get this from a scale of 0 to 100, and that's the data you are getting. And it will also show you where it's peaked, right? So 100 is the peak here, and that is what it says here. The value 100 is the peak popularity for a term. 50 means it's half as popular. 0 means there wasn't enough data for this term. So that covers the first prompt. And let's also look to see the search word Olympics in Japan, or next year it's happening in Paris. If you want, you can search for that in Paris, or any country, any data you want. That's, as long as it's listed here, you are free to go ahead and query it. You should get the data. And I just need to mention, for Germany, I don't know, I was getting a 429 error, and I don't know if this is an issue with the plugin or generally Germany has some issue. So I don't know. So let's see what it is actually doing. So yeah, it works here. Only in this plugin I was getting an error. So let's hope for that it's fixed, and let's move on to the next one. So the next one are get the top Google Trend chart. It retrieves the top chart for Google Trends for a specific date, includes date and location optional. However, it is important we know that the data retrieved is textual format and not a visual chart. So let's say retrieve the top 10 trend charts in United States for 2022. So yeah, you're gonna get this data here. So it's worldy election results, Betty White, Queen Elizabeth, Bob Saget, Ukraine, Mega Millions, Powerball numbers, Anna, Heche, and Jeffrey Daniher. So these are some of the terms they were looking for here. And after this, similarly, if you want to do India, you can do that too. Show me the top search keywords for India in 2022. So yeah, and you can do it for any country that's listed here, that's available in Google Trends. So you'll get all that data. This one is just for just to see how it works. So IPL, Co-Win, FIFA, Asia Cup, T20 World Cup, Brahmastra, E-Shram Card, Commonwealth, KGF Chapter 2, and ISL. So these are some of the terms what was searched in 2022. And the third part is get real-time searches. So this function fetches the real-time searches from Google Trends, and this input is location. So what you can do is show me the real-time search trends. We have already done United States. So let's do Ukraine. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Okay, so we got an exit code 400, so it's not able to fetch that. So let me change it to United Kingdom. So yeah, that was my next prompt, because we have already done United States. So, and probably we'll do France, or we're gonna do South Korea maybe after this. So the idea is you can do it for any geography, you will get the data if that country's data is available in Google Trends. If that is not available, you won't get this data. So if you go here and do South Korea, you should get it. So yeah, you're gonna get that trends for that location. And okay, it did not get it. So let me try Australia then. Okay. I don't know why 400 is written. Germany got 429. So there are some countries where this plugin is not able to get the data, but there are some it's working. So maybe I think I just write an email to them and inform it has some issues in some valid geography, so they have to debug it. And basically, yeah, that's it. So that's what I wanted to cover. So if you don't like typing in Google Trends and selecting all the different checkboxes each time, you can just use ChatGPT to get the data, and you can do a plot or do your visualization, comparison, whatever you want. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.